Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm here right now at the version second level or second floor sa Ayala Center, Cebu, and they're opening a new store which is called Version, and the place itself consists of parlors, a place where you can pamper yourself, and it's very good because these past days I'm so stressed and I'm so happy because I'm here. I'm going to pamper myself here and try their services. And right now I'm at one of their rooms. Like shukay guys. I'm really happy because I see that type of machine again. So it's nice. So I'm going to update to you whatever it is nga akong madala sa oras karon no for pampering sesh. So maminaw pa tayo, mag-tour ta. I'm going to tour you around so that you will be able to see as well unsa ni siya kanindot. Cute kay lang ano guys, sauna room and steam room, and nasa sila parlor nga headed by a Japanese hairstylist. So cool. Shout out to cute kayo. Hello miss. Hi.
With that, versions, cheers!
Cheers.
Japanese-inspired salon. And why Japanese? Because Japanese, they are in the pursuit of perfection, diba?
Oh yeah, birthday
So, yun lang siya si Yasu Ito. Yeah, he's a Japanese. Taking care from media.
Oh my god. The Japanese.
So, this is just a typical chair. This is a massage chair.
Oh.
While you're doing your foot spa or nails, it's really different kung i-close it out from the inside. And here's our view spa. Gikuan bitaw sa inspired by Barcelona. This is our facial room na atong mga machines for slimming and for facial room.
Massage room.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a sauna and we have a steam room as well. And we have experience kay naman tayo scrubbing. Pwede sad siya. This one is a slimionic. Moni ang
Slimionic?
Yeah. Oh, it's the first kuan ang say tawag ani service here in the Philippines. Kami mag-distribute. And ganang cellulite reduction sad siya. So it's more on slimming. And
Kakute naman lang. Muna ilang sauna guys. Kakute!
yung upat anak for.
Mangari mo guys.
Okay.
Cute kay sauna gang. Nawa.
Laoy.
Mura ibong ko naka-zoom ang akong lens. So guys, na sila yung room for slimming, which is called Slim Yonic. And then they have also a facial room. Ito akong dito ko nag-intro ganina. This is their facial room. And then, nasa sila massage room, which is na ay great kay na sauna, and nasa siya ay steam room. So, siya kayo with the fountain and the architectural works. So guys, like siya kayo kay under this big tree where you can have your nail color or foot massage or manicure pedicure. You can see here, this is not just an ordinary chair, massage chair sa ni siya. So all in one, super relaxing tayo.
You might ask why we call it versions. Okay, versions, it's a starting point of version 1.0. So meaning, our founder, Mishina Makapine, she goes around the globe to get the most innovative and services and products. So as to, she wants to let the Filipino people experience a holistic experience. It's a platform where you can experience the beauty, wellness, and health. So she doesn't want to compromise quality. It's really a good vision of her that she's bringing in everything that she could so that we Filipinos can enjoy the services that we offer here in Versions.
You can be the best version of yourself right here. And with that, I think, Sir Rob, you'd like to explain to us, maybe tell us a little bit about what's in store for everybody here.
Okay, let's start off with what we see here, the Terra Cafe. The Terra Cafe, Sheena's vision is a holistic approach in achieving the next version of yourself. It can be, the use of the best version is quite overused. She champions the thought of you are beautiful on your own, and you actually choose what kind of the next version of yourself will be. So you create your own path, but of course all of us go in the direction of a better self. And she believes in a holistic approach. Terra Cafe starts from within, what you eat. I'm lifting this, so my mind tells me, that's my arm rather, to lift, to exert as much effort just to lift this, nothing more, nothing less. With the EMS suit, I can program it wherein the muscle contracts as if I was lifting a 50-pound dumbbell without the dumbbell being there. So you get that much workout, muscle contractions, fat burning, and all the benefit of a intense exercise. Of course, based on your limit, based on, like, you can say, ayoko na, I can't take anymore, so let's stay at this level. And you are closely monitored by a certified physical therapist. So in other countries, this is big in other countries. In other countries, they just have regular trainers. We have certified, board certified physiotherapists here. And once you've done your workout, we have another suit that you get into. It's from Germany. Its main function is lymphatic drainage. So your lymphatic drainage is lymphatic system is drained. So imagine the benefits of that. Your recovery, then you're infused with extra oxygen. Oxygen is the #1 fuel for combustion. So you're burning your fat at the same time. So that actually works for some people who are too lazy to work out, but you want to burn fat. So you can relax, lie back, feel the machine working, the suit working on you, and sleep like a baby afterwards. Really, it improves sleep big time.
And it's also a cellulite reduction.
There you go. In Germany, it's marketed that way.
And to add up, for the X-Body and Slimyonic, we are the exclusive distributor of it here in the Philippines. Wala.
The Maximus, the machine, you can contour your body. Tri-lipo, we have RF, yes. We have those. Because if you attack it from within, you exercise, you do the X-Body, you do Tri-lipo, there's no excuse. It's all there. You can indulge in a very therapeutic massage thereafter. We have really good therapists, very strong. Then after that, you can do your skin stuff, your lasers, facials. Obviously, being a guy, I'm limited in terms of my knowledge on that. But there's another exciting hair. Our crowning glory, hair. We partnered with, okay, let's establish this. The Japanese are a sucker for perfection. And what they do? Agree? Everybody agree? So we partnered with, I don't know if you're into the local hair scene, Mr. Yasuhito. He judges in Hair Asia in terms of coloring, in terms of styling. So he has established a lot of salons in Paris, in New York, Vancouver. Then after making it successful, he moves on. Now he has migrated to the Philippines because he's has a lovely wife, a Filipino, and he's been looking for a partner who shares his vision on being a purist when it comes to hair. Hair color damages hair, big time. So he is very careful with regards to hair color. He has the treatments wherein you require less frequency if you want to maintain a certain color, because he has these machines that infuse things to your hair. It doesn't get damaged, you retain that color longer, it's cared for longer, and again, a healthy scalp can lead to so many good things that you see here. And we have a scalp spa here. And the technology and the protocol comes from Japan. Just talking about the fingers running through your hair, so relaxing. Then you have a massage thereafter. And I was telling them I think I feel smarter after this. There's so much circulation that improves. Then the foot spa. We have two kinds. The foot spa wherein we utilize the same technology and the protocol for the hair, and we have Foot Logics. It was developed by Canadian dermatologists.